In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Squarespace website. If you've built your pages and you're ready to share them with the world, the process is quick and straightforward. Start on your Squarespace site dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the main navigation and click Home. This takes you to the central area where key actions live, including the option to make your site go live. From here, click Publish your site. Squarespace will open a pane asking how you want your site to be visible. You'll see several choices, and picking the right one matters for who can access your content. Public makes your site available to anyone with the link, and it can be discoverable through search engines depending on your SEO settings. Password protected keeps the site hidden behind a single shared password, which is useful for client previews or limited releases. Private keeps the site off limits to visitors and is best when you're still actively building and don't want anyone to stumble on unfinished pages. SSO protected is for teams that use single sign-on, letting only people who authenticate through your organization's login view the site. Select the visibility that fits your needs, then click Publish. Squarespace will confirm your selection, and within moments your site will reflect that setting. You can return to the same spot anytime to change visibility as your situation evolves. For example, switching from private to public when you finish a project, or moving to password protected for a controlled review. One important note before you publish: you need to upgrade to a paid plan to make the site live. If you're on a free trial or a limited plan, Squarespace will prompt you to upgrade first. Choosing a plan unlocks publishing, connects your features, and ensures your audience can actually reach the site. If you see an upgrade message instead of the publish confirmation, follow the on-screen steps to complete your plan, then come back and finish publishing. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use the preview to scan your pages for spacing, links, and images, and toggle the built-in mobile view to make sure everything looks great on smaller screens. If you've set a custom domain, confirm it's connected and pointing to your site. Otherwise, your Squarespace domain will still work as soon as you publish. And that's all it takes. Click Home, choose Publish your site, pick your visibility, confirm, and you're live. Simple, clear, and ready for visitors.